Think fixing bugs is tedious? Wait till you hear about this Python hack that saved me 10 plus hours. Imagine this, your code needs constant tweaking and each change takes forever because of all those clunky processes. Enter our hero, a 5-minute Python script that I got working in just 5 minutes instead of 11 hours. Here's the scoop. This nifty script keeps an eye on your files, automatically runs your code, and even opens the results for you. Gone are the days of manually opening and closing OpenView or Adobe Reader 1,000 times. How does it work? Just update your script, save, and voila. See the results instantly on your second screen. Think you need hours to write something this efficient? Nope. It's all about prioritizing function over form. So if you're tired of endless corporate meetings and want to reclaim your time, give this Python hack a shot. Because sometimes quick and dirty gets the job done just right. Ready to save some serious coding time? Hit that like button and subscribe for more cool hacks.